So let's say I want to do something like sodium. Begin with something simple. So this is what I do. If I were to just do the long way, it would be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and then 3s1. Okay. But if you think about it, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, this all the way to here is nothing but neon, which is a noble gas. So we say, why do that? Why do the whole thing if you can find an abbreviated method? Like I said, you still have to do the long way as a skill in this course. But what we say instead is, okay, here's sodium right here. I say, okay, let me write the noble gas that came before it. Not after it, but before it. And it also applies to other elements that came before or after neon. So I say, okay, put neon in brackets, the symbol. So that means you're telling the reader that that the electron configuration of sodium is neon plus what's left over. And let's see what's left over. This is now 3. That's the S area, and that's 1 box, so 3s1. That's the abbreviated method. I'm sure you've seen this before in a previous class. Again, this is really nothing but a review from high school or previous chemistry class, a basic and intro chemistry class at college. But here it is. We're doing it again. So let's do another one. Let's say we want to do chlorine or sulfur. Okay, same thing. I look at the last noble gas, the one that came, it was like the last noble gas in the, let's say, in the last period. Well, I go back, and that's also neon right here. I don't put argon. Sometimes students write the last element. No. That's a convention. You have to put the noble gas. So I say, okay, here it is, neon. And then I write what's left over. So this is now 3s2. And then I have 3p1, 2, 3, 4, 3p4. And I'm finished. Once again, this is why it's called the abbreviated method. Same thing with elements, transition metals. So if I do cobalt right here, I say, okay, CO. Let's look at the last noble gas. Move backwards, and it's argon. So what I do is I put that in brackets. And then I write what's left over. 4s2. And then 3d, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3d7.